to Toronto, Canada's largest and most diverse city, where vibrant culture, iconic landmarks, and bustling neighborhoods come together to create an unforgettable urban experience. Join us as we explore the dynamic energy and endless possibilities of this cosmopolitan metropolis. Nestled along the shores of Lake Ontario, Toronto is a city of contrasts, where historic charm meets modern innovation. From the historic Distillery District to the sleek skyscrapers of the Financial District, each neighborhood tells a unique story of Toronto's evolution. But Toronto isn't just about its impressive skyline. It's also a cultural melting pot, where people from around the world come together to celebrate diversity and creativity. Explore the vibrant street art of Kensington Market, savor global cuisine in the eclectic neighborhoods of Chinatown and Little Italy, or immerse yourself in the rich history of Indigenous peoples at the Royal Ontario Museum. For sports fans, Toronto is a mecca of athletic prowess and championship glory. Cheer on the Toronto Raptors at the iconic Scotiabank Arena, catch a baseball game at the Rogers Centre, or experience the excitement of a hockey match at the historic Maple Leaf Gardens. As night falls, Toronto's vibrant nightlife comes alive, offering endless entertainment options for every taste and mood. From trendy bars and rooftop lounges to live music venues and comedy clubs, the city pulsates with energy long after the sun sets. But perhaps Toronto's most iconic landmark is the CN Tower, a towering symbol of engineering marvel and architectural ingenuity. Take a ride to the top for panoramic views of the cityscape below, or dare to walk on the edge with the thrilling Edgewalk experience. As we bid farewell to this vibrant city, we carry with us memories of its lively streets, diverse culture, and endless possibilities. Toronto, with its blend of old-world charm and contemporary allure, is truly a city like no other. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Toronto. Until next time, may your adventures be as bold and dynamic as this remarkable city.